So for a girl that grew up hairy to a girl that people started questioning, why do you have hair on your face? And then realizing that there's actually a medical term. It took me at least 30 odd years of my life before I actually realized that there is this thing and it is called a condition. But I'm just a hairy girl.
Yeah.
And that's what it is for me. But it's a symptom, and it's a symptom that shows up as hair for my particular condition. However, for other people, there's different causes for it. There's people that have it because they have hormonal imbalance. There's people that have it because they have PCOS. I won't even try to tell you what PCOS stands for. And there is a lot of people that have it because of age, and there is people that have it because they have high testosterone, and I have it because of genetics.
Oh, okay.